Global pharmaceutical companies are facing a wave of patent expirations. When patents expire, exclusivity disappears. This opens the door for biosimilars. Korean biotech companies are well positioned, with strong manufacturing capabilities, global regulatory experience, and competitive pricing. Leaders like Samsung and Сел트리온 are expanding both contract manufacturing and biosimilar sales, while companies such as Alteogen and Samchundang gain attention through technology, licensing, and pipelines. The patent expiration trend through 2026 represents a structural industry shift, not a short-term theme. What matters most is real performance and global market penetration. For deeper analysis on biosimilar beneficiary stocks, search Yangbong Designer on Naver.